I'm Sheila with A+ Pro Services, and we're going to demonstrate today one of our glass restoration services, which is removing hard water scale from shower doors. The first shower door that I'm going to demonstrate, actually the hard water scale is not too bad, in which case we're just going to do this manually by hand. And the next video that we'll show you will be actually using mechanical polishing system for hard water scale that's built up a little bit heavier. Whenever we do a glass restoration on a shower door, it includes the glass, it includes the framing, and on the interior we also do the faucets and any of the hardware that's inside where the hard water can collect. In this particular decorative glass, most of the buildup, if you can zoom in, Jesse, most of the buildup is along the edge here. Can you zoom in and get a picture of that? Most of the buildup is right here on the edge. You can see a lot of this is actual scale from hard water, but a lot of this actually just kind of comes off with a little bit of abrasion. So I know that I can do this by hand. So I'm just going to use my pad and my stain remover, and I'm just going to manually scrub down and clean this glass off. Okay, so we've completed this project. We've cleaned all of the metal framing, brass in this case. We've cleaned all the decorative glass. All of this is done around all the handles. Where we had before the scale that was heavy on the edges, we were able to successfully get all of that off by hand. You can see it's nice and clear now. On the interior, we've done all of the framing here. Got nice, beautiful framing all the way around. The heaviest buildup is always at the bottom, of course, where all the water falls. We've got the track system done. And last but not least, I always like to touch up the hardware. It's nice and pretty now. Hi, it's Sheila here again with A+ Pro Services, and I'm going to give you round 2 of one of our glass restoration services, which is shower glass restoration. This time, as you can see in the background and by the noise, that we're going to demonstrate restoring a shower door via our glass renew system. Our glass renew system is a mechanical polishing system that uses a compound called cerium oxide to mechanically polish hard water stain buildup. Most of the time it's calcium buildup on your shower door glass. So here we go. Jesse, technician in the back there, has got the cerium oxide liquid compound on his buffing pad. It's a very soft polishing pad, and he moves very methodically across the glass, and it's the friction of the polishing pad, the compound, that breaks down that calcium scale. What would take somebody doing this by hand quite a few hours of pretty intense labor, we can do fairly quickly with the mechanical polishing system. However, some shower doors have taken us quite a long time. I think this is a pretty good visual, and when we talk about hard water scale, this is what we're removing. You've all seen it, unless you have ultra purified water coming into your house and through your faucets. You have this on your shower glass as well. Beautiful. Good.
Good.
He got from Elmont, he said, West Hampton Beach. I don't got there. Next morning was, everything else.
Of course,
Yeah.
no
Yeah, well,
happy
Yeah, no,
Friday.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I don't miss it. I mean, I do miss it and I don't miss it.
yeah.
I miss
Yeah.
being up there. I mean, my whole life,
Summer is nice.
family, friends are all up there, but
Summer is nice, cause it really is
You
bad.
gotta watch out too, because then a lot of them might move anyway. You stay there and they might leave anyway, so you know what?
And it's
might